This is a 25-pound dumbbell, and this is Magic John's brand new 4-in-1 charging cable. Now let's see how durable this actually is. And not only that, it comes with dual connectors with Lightning, USB, and 2 additional Type-Cs, making it compatible with pretty much any device that you can think of. It is extremely fast, 240 watts of fast charging, which means that you can charge any device that you have at maximum speeds at all times. The connectors are reinforced with zinc alloy and the cable with liquid silicone. So you can pull, twist, bend, nothing's gonna happen to it. And it comes with its own carry bag. There are 2 colors available. And if you like this product, it's only $5.99. Click the yellow card and purchase yours now.